Changing the language in the Apple Pay app can help you navigate the app more comfortably. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you can adjust various system preferences, including language settings. Step 2. Select General. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. This section contains options related to your device's overall settings. Step 3. Tap Language and Region. Within the General settings, find and select Language and Region. This is where you can change the language of your device, which will also affect the Apple Pay app. Step 4. Change Language. Tap on iPhone language or iPad language if using an iPad and choose your preferred language from the list. Confirm your selection, and your device will update the language settings. Step 5. Restart Apple Pay. After changing the language, close the Apple Pay app and reopen it. The app should now display in the new language you selected. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the Apple Pay app to suit your preferences. Enjoy using the app in your chosen language.